Good day, viewers. You are welcome to this edition of our YouTube channel. And today we are going to look at a very vital subtopic in the first term SS1 mathematics scheme of work, which is conversion from other base to a number in base 10. Now, when you are being given questions, you can see just we are having 4 questions here. The very first thing you simply need to take note of is your base. Look at the question carefully. Remember in our last class, I said something that your integers, how do I know if my question is correct? How do I know if what I'm actually doing? How do I know if the question I'm being given is correct or not? When you observe that your integers are less than your base, you should know that, yes, that question is on the right track. Now we'll move. I want to show you how this is quickly done. This is the solution to question number 1 without wasting much of our time. Solution to question number 1. Let's go. Now, when you are given this question, move from 175 base 8, convert it to a number in base 10. The first thing you're simply going to do, come right here. I'm going to write the number, which is 175 base 8. You can see for yourself. It's not difficult to do. I place my equal to sign. Now, the next thing I'm simply going to do, I will open a bracket. What is the first digit I'm having here? In my question is 1. I'm going to write that 1. Consider what it is done. Multiply by what is my base? Can you see the way I'm doing it step by step? What's the base? The base is 8. Now, if I should close this 1, you can see the 1 here. If I should close this digit, how many digits do I have left? I didn't ask you what is the number I have left. Like, how many digits? The digit is 1, 2. I have 2 digits left. So you now put raised to the power of what? 2. Then you close your bracket. You open another fresh bracket again. I'm going to this 7. I'll write the 7. Multiply by. Now, what is my base? My base is 8. If I should close this 7 I'm currently working on, look at it, I've closed it. You can see for yourself. How many digits do I have left? I didn't ask you what is the figure. How many digits? 1. We have only just a digit left, 1 digit. So you come right here and place raised to the power of 1 plus, this is 5. I open another bracket. This is 5 multiplied by, now 5 multiplied by, what is our base? Our base is 8. Now, if I should close this 5, this digit, can you see any digit left? No. If I should close this 5 I'm currently working on, do you see any digits? No. So what we're simply going to do right here, if there's no more digit, you say 0. You close your bracket. At the end of the day, you simplify further. This becomes, I want to work on the first bracket, become 1 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 2 means 8 will times itself twice. That's 8 times 8. How often time in exam students often make this mistake? When they see 8 raised to the power 2, they'll just do 8 times 2, which is 16, and that is totally wrong. So if you're a teacher, you have to take notes, especially primary 5, 6, J1, J2, and even some students too in SS. So it is very vital. You inform them on time. So we move. Then this becomes 8 raised to the power 2 is 64. That's 8 times 8. Next, 7 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 1 is 8. Next, this is 5 multiplied by, now in mathematics, from the laws of indices, anything raised to the power of 0, 1 billion raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 trillion raised to the power of 0 is 1. So this 8 raised to the power of 0 here is 1. So it becomes 5 times 1. Now, we'll move further. 1 multiplied by 64 is going to give us 64. You can see the way it is rightly positioned. Now, 7 multiplied by 8 will give us 56. And right here, 5 multiplied by 1 will give us 5. At the end of the day, if you sum up, we're going to have 125 as our final answer. Now, you can look at it carefully. It's 125. Now, whenever you want to present your final answer, this is what you do. You go back to the original question. What's the original question? The original question is convert 175 base 8. So you will go back there and rewrite that. Go back to the original question you were giving, 175 base 8 equal to, can you see our answer here? Now, in this topic, any answer you get that has no base, or whenever you are giving a question without a base, it means that question is in base 10. So you now go and write your final answer, which you already are aware of, which is 125 base 10. Or you can also use figure instead of alphabet. Instead of you can also use alphabet instead of figure. Instead of writing 8, you can write EIGAC 8, and instead of writing 10, you can also write TEN. And that is the solution to question number 1. Now, for question 2, we'll move straight to question 2 and dissolve it. Convert 1 to 1 base 5 to a number in base 10. What you simply need to do is very simple. You come by here, like I earlier said, you rewrite your question, which is 1 to 1 base 5. You can see for yourself. Now, we're going to open a bracket. What's the first digit you see here? The very first digit is 1. I will write the 1 multiplied by what is our base? Our base is 5. Then, if I should close this first digit I'm currently working on, you can see for yourself. If I should close this first digit I'm currently working on, how many digits do I have left? This is 1, 2. So you place it right here, raised to the power of 2, plus our next digit is 2. Multiplied by what is our base? Our base is 5. Now, if I should close this 2 from this angle, how many digits do you see left? 1. Raised to the power of 1 plus what is our last digit we're having here? This is 1 multiplied by our base is what? 5. Now, if I should close this 1, I have no other digit left, which is 0. So you place 0 right here and close it up. At the end of the day, it becomes 1 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 2 will give us 5 raised to the power of 2 means 25. That's 5 times 5. Like I earlier said, most students will do 5 raised to the power of 2 as 10, which is totally wrong. You don't say 5 times 2. When they say 5 raised to the power of 2, it means let 5 multiply each set twice. That's 5 times 5, which is 25. So place it right here. We'll move to the next. Here becomes 2 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1 is 5. And right here, this is 1 multiplied by, from the laws of indices, any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 trillion raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 billion raised to the power of 0 is 1. So this 5 raised to the power of 0 automatically means 1. So I write the 1 here. This becomes 1 times 1. So let's spread it out. Now we simplify further. 1 times 25 will give me 25. Plus 2 multiplied by 5 will give me 10. Then 1 times 1 will give me 1. If I'm to add everything up right here, I'm going to have 36. Here become 36. Mind you, remember what I said earlier, when you want to write your final answer, you go back to your initial question. So I have to go back. I've gotten what I'm looking for. So I'll go back to our initial question, which is your original question, which is 1 to 1 base 5 equal to, can you see for yourself? 36 or 36 base 10. Can you see for yourself? So this is the solution to question number 2. Now, I would like you to go straight and solve question number 3 and dissolve question number 4 and place your answer in the comment section below. Thank you.